So to reset the oil light on the Ford in this particular model, we're gonna have to put the key in the ignition, but do not start the engine. You're gonna have this message pop up, oil change required. And now we're gonna hold the brake pedal and the gas pedal at the same time for 25 seconds. And then it's gonna say service oil reset in progress. And we keep holding the brake and the gas pedal at the same time until this message goes away. Alright, oil reset complete. Now we could let go. Now we're going to turn off the car. Wait for about 10 seconds. And now we could start it, and then the message should be gone. Yeah, hood open. Alright, and that's how you reset the oil light for the Ford Escape 2014.